Hey there, so I'll be introducing our quadratic voting DEO decentralized application. This application features a couple of different features, including voter whitelisting, custom proposal creation, including quadratic voting, and linear time decay. Starting off here, we are in our admin page, admin account that was already pre-added through MetaMask. We go to the admin page and we can view all the types of accounts. What I'll do is I'll switch to another account that I've already added to the network. I'll refresh the page and I can now get a prompt to log in. I'll log in with a random username. So I'll sign up and here we are. Uh, Now we can see our prompt. We are not yet a stakeholder applied for NFT. So what we're going to do, and due to this, we can't actually create a proposal. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply for the NFT. Um, we're going to submit that. And now through our admin account, we are able to whitelist this user via the admin page. So we're going to generate NFT and we're going to generate NFT there. And we are going to now go back to that account and we are able to become a stakeholder. And now we can see our username as well, current DAO balance, etc. We are able to raise a proposal now. Let's call this random election one. We can enter max tokens per address, so we'll have about 10 tokens for this address. We'll have 10 tokens for all the other addresses. So let's create two candidates called Joey and John. Let's say they're competing in an election. Let's set a time length of 300 seconds, and let's set a description, one description, and let's submit proposal. We're going to create the proposal here using this account, and we could view the proposal as well. And we'll see that we have 10 tokens left for this proposal. The proposal also has 0 votes currently voted, and for this, we're also able to view the projected number of votes as well. So let's vote 3 times, and we could see a graph showing that Joey was voted 3 times, and then we could also vote for John twice. And we could also view the list of votes down here. And so now you can see these two are voted twice. And let's go through the process of connecting another account. So we're going to connect this account. I'm going to refresh the page. We're going to be prompted with another login. So we're going to sign up. And we're going to go back to this proposal. We're going to apply for the NFT so that we're able to actually vote. Let's go back to the admin account. We're going to go to the admin account. We're going to generate NFT. We could also see the option of setting a user to an admin. Um, so we're going to go back here. We're going to go to this proposal, and as another account, we're going to vote for, let's say, Joey twice, and we can confirm. And we could also see that we have currently 8 tokens left for this proposal. So this is just an example of voting for an election, and we could also see the time that is being uploaded quite a few times. Um, and yes, so that's just an example of a regular election. We could also create a random, let's call this a quadratic QV election. Let's say you have 10 tokens per address. Let's go Joe again. Let's go time length of about 100 seconds. Enable quadratic voting and QV election description. And let's submit the proposal. Press confirm, and we are in our second proposal now. We can see this proposal at 98 seconds already. And so now we can see that if we're voting twice, the projected number of tokens spent will be 4 times because it is a quadratic voting enabled proposal. So we spent 4 tokens, we voted twice, and we could see that we have 2 votes here and we have 6 tokens left. And we could also change accounts and do the same thing as well. We could also create another proposal. Let's call this the linear time decay election. Let's go 10 tokens as well. Let's go Joe again. Um, Now let's set this to around, let's do 60 seconds. Let's do 1 minute just for the sake of things. And so we're able to kind of view the time decay as we move. Actually, let's do 30 seconds. um, linear time decay description. And let's create the proposal. And just to demonstrate how the linear voting works, we're going to go right into this. Um, we're going to vote twice. We can see the number of tokens spent is 3 times because we're already at around 20 seconds now. And as we move down to the seconds, we have about 12 seconds remaining. We'll notice that the number of tokens exponentially increases towards the right here. So we notice that we spent about 7 tokens to vote 2 times. And as we can see, as it goes to 0, we are not able to actually vote at all because one is expired and two, the linear time decay renders the number of tokens spent as 0. Doesn't matter how many tokens we've actually tried to spend here. So that's kind of goes through the features of our quadratic voting DAO decentralized application.